What's going on, guys? Scotty with Miller Marine. I'm going to show you how nice these Rule tournament pumps are to install for a bunch of different applications on the adjustability that they have. It's really cool. So this is how it's going to sit in your boat. Obviously, this part goes to the seacock, this goes to your bait well, and then also this could hook up to a washdown pump as well. This comes off, put a nipple on it, boom, you got a washdown pump set up fairly easily. So let me show you. Let's disassemble it. So this part spins off. The pump cartridge comes out like so. It's nice, this pops off. And you have full mobile ability on this thing. So what's nice is you snap that down, you're screwing your pump in, and you got a valve or a bulkhead that you're hitting here on this piece. Very simple solution. Pop that up, and now if you could turn this, you could turn the bottom, screw it in place, and then when you get the base tight, you could snap back down. You got to get it lined up. Snap that back down. That's down, and then you put your hose barb back on. Bait pump goes back in like so, and then there you have it. What's nice about these things are these are super easy to switch out. I do clients do it on their own all the time. I give them a spare because these pumps do fail quite often, unfortunately, especially with the weed, sand, everything. Tough environment down here in the Florida Keys. So you just hit this little tab here, twist, it pulls right out. If you ever get an airlock as well, these are super easy to clear the airlock. My boat does it all the time. I haven't used it in a while. I put the boat in, first thing I do is fire up the well. It's not running. I go back there, I literally just pop this off real quick, get water flow, twist it back on, I'm good for the day. Usually doesn't happen if I get up on plane real quick, run, then turn my well on. Usually they're primed already. So little tip for you guys. Take care. Miller Marine out.